What's up, JG Squad? Here, look, we're getting a car wash, guys. Here with my coworker. She probably don't want me on camera. But yeah, I'm getting the car wash right now. Just running some errands, and whatnot. And then I don't know what I'm doing later, guys. So I will be vlogging my whereabouts and what I'm doing and what I'm up to. But right now we have the car wash, as you can see. We have the car wash right now, so yeah, don't mind my car right now. It's getting cleaned. Ooh, yo, it looks like we're in the club. I like this. I like those lights when they do those lights. Yeah, I'm in the car right now. Show my window up, you feel me? They saying get out of neutral. You can't get out of neutral right now. But yeah, no. Car wash, working at the car wash. Yeah, 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 yeah. Working at the car wash. Please do not exit your vehicle. That's what it says. That's what they say. Please do not exit your vehicle. She looks miserable as hell. Like she don't even want to be here. Well, she don't even want to be here. That lady don't look like she don't want to be here, yo. Why I'm here? Yeah, read my receipt. Read my shit. Yeah, get that shit off. Fuck it, yeah. Get that bird poop off. Shit. Do my rims. I paid $17. I like to get my $17 worth, right? Right. Shoot. Paid a good money, good coat. But yeah, guys, we out and about, just chilling. Got off of work, tired. Guys, look what I got. This cup. I love this cup because my water is still freaking cold. This one stays cold. This is amazing. I'm done? She said, yeah? That was quick. Alright, but you want to drive?
Yeah.
Oh no, look.
Come on. Let me play my music while I drive.
Oh, you can't play music while I'm vlogging.
Yeah, I gotta play it.
No, you can't play music. I gotta post this on YouTube.
Right,
I ain't trying to get copyrighted. She don't listen, guys. She don't listen.
Hi, y'all. I'm taking over Janae's vlog in her car.
Oh my God. Are you serious?
Damn.
I gotta really go home again.
Janae,
I'm so serious. I gotta change my pants. I can't even sit down.
you hurry up and get out the car.
I can't, bro, could you just drop?
What? This white shirt in the back?
Yeah, hurry up. I gotta go home and shave, yo.
Damn.
Dang, I gotta drop. We gotta switch again.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry. I gotta switch my clothes, my shirt, bro.
Alright, bro, come on.
Hey, oh God, look. Yeah, throw the shit out. Excuse my language, guys. Pour that out.
She said, excuse our language.
Piss me off. I didn't even know that was open.
And then you want me to sit in it?
No, is it dry? It's dry, right?
It's dry.
It got on the mat.
It's just water. Alright, so let me. Alright. Wait till you finish your vlog.
Guys, I'm so heated right now. Is the car coming? You mad?
No, it's not.
I wish you could push your chair up back a little bit more. Cause you leaning that close, you're in the passenger seat is a problem. We have a problem. A big problem. I'm so fucking mad. Should I just go home and change my pants? Guys, you know how mad I am right now. I literally gotta go home and change my pants. We literally just left my house. Literally just left my house. Oh, fudge. Excuse my language, guys. I'm mad. As you can see, clearly. I wanted to get too close to this car. Damn, I could have parked right there. I don't know how to park. As you see, I'm struggling. I hate
Stay like this and run upstairs.
Let me move up more of these.
At least stay in your parking lot.
Someone took her spot. See, I got out that spot and she's telling me move my car, right? But look, somebody in the parking spot.
I thought you said that's what you guys want to be. I thought you said that's what you want to be saving the spot for.
My grandmother's car. Go! What is she doing? She had mad room to go.
Oh, I don't know.
Alright guys, let me go. Let me go and change my pants real quick. I'll be back. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. Click that ring down, the bell down below. And I'll be back with another one. Peace.